What's up, YouTube? How's everyone doing today? It is Tuesday, December 28th, 2021. I'm your host, Ty, and this is Smarter Gambling. So today we're doing the show from the stock exchange, New York Stock Exchange. That's because it's a pretty neutral day. I mean, more bearish than bullish. But, yeah, Dow Jones finishes in the green here. Actually, we had a pretty strong finish, to be honest. But yeah, Dow Jones in the green, NASDAQ, S&P in the red, and I believe crypto got wrecked today. So, I guess we could have went with Ramenistan, but, you know, it wasn't all too bad. So, yeah, stock exchange today. Neutral day, but more bearish. But, yeah. So, got a great show for you guys today. Should be pretty short, honestly. There's not too much to talk about today. As always, we'll be doing our daily stock and crypto reviews. And today, and there's no news today. No stock market news, no crypto news, nothing significant. So we'll jump right into the analysis today. Today we'll be going over AABB, Asia Broadband. That was number 1 on StockTwits. We're going to do NAKD, Naked Brand. And then BFRI, which we've been talking about a lot lately. But that was still trending top 10, so we'll get to all of that. There were some honorable mentions. Some crypto stuff. There was like Farm X or something, I believe. I don't even remember. But there was some crypto coins going crazy there. But yeah. AABB, Naked, and BFRI. And then, as always, we'll get to our Yolos. And there really weren't too many Yolos either. A lot of general lost corn and some gain corn today. But really not too much to discuss there. So I just picked out the best ones. So, you know, today should be a pretty chill show. TA shouldn't take too long. No news. And, you know, Yolo shouldn't take too long either. So, yeah, maybe we'll go hour and a half. I don't think we'll go more than 2 hours today. Maybe hour and a half, 2 hours. Really shouldn't take too long today, so it should be pretty chill. And here come the sirens. All right, now we got people coming in. I thought I might not be live or something because no one was coming in. But all right, here we go. What up, Low Roller? What up, Peasy? Thanks for being here, guys. Appreciate you guys as always. If I sell stock at loss today, then buy Dogecoin today, can I deduct my stock loss this year? Yeah. As long as you're net negative, you can deduct stock loss, yes. Or you can deduct it against your gains. So, yeah, you can, yeah, you still got, 3 days to go here before the new year. So, you know, this is the time where people, it's called tax harvesting time, you know, where people make trades and rebalance based on tax implications. So, yeah, Low Roller. You can sell at a loss today and buy Doge, and then you don't have to pay taxes on the Doge until you sell that. So, yes. Yes, you can. And, yeah, PZ, all is good with me. Hope all is well with you as well. Feeling good today. What up, Eric? Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you. Nice setup today. Yeah, I got dressed up today. Had a little extra time, so I got the shirt and tie. Got to sell by end of the year and 30 days after. Can't repurchase from wash sale rule. Look that up. Yeah, wash sale. That's true. Doesn't apply to crypto though. Not sure how that affects crypto. No, wash sale. There's no such thing as wash sale for crypto. Not yet, at least. There will be for sure down the road, but not yet. So take advantage of that. But yeah. People are starting to sell here at the end of the year to, you know, rebalance and, so they can deduct a bunch of taxes here. Thought he was talking stocks. Yeah, he's talking about selling stocks, but then he's talking about buying Doge, so, both. No, Low Roller, Eric's not new here. He's been here for a little while now. I think a couple of weeks. So, all right, guys. But yeah, thanks everyone for being here today. Let's get started. shouldn't take too long. Pretty chill show today. Unless you guys just want to chat and stuff and want to look at graphs and stuff. But yeah, should be pretty chill. Should be pretty short. No news. TA should be pretty quick, and Yolos should be pretty quick as well. So let's do it, guys. And before we begin, please hit the like button. Please subscribe and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. And my apologies for not getting the video out yesterday. I didn't have time to. Well, I just fell asleep actually, and it wasn't really trending the stocks we did yesterday. So didn't do yesterday's video. So my bad on that, guys. But I'll be sure to get today's out. All right, let's do it. Yellow roller. Eric did add some emojis there and some I don't know what that's called, stickers. I don't know, but yeah, he's been here. He just changed his name a little bit. All right. What up, educated fool? Am I reading this right? Why is this not working? Oh. Okay. Cool. And I hear a fire truck, so my apologies. Gonna talk over it. Yeah, what up, educated fool? Thanks for being a dude. Appreciate you guys. Got me some CPOP. Yeah, that's a Chinese stock, if I'm not mistaken. That first IPO'd, I think, a couple months ago. Up 420% today so far. Nice. Yeah, nice, dude. Do it for the meme. Okay, so the Dow Jones finishes up 0.26%. The Nasdaq finishes down 0.48%, and the S&P 500 finishes down 0.1%. So, yeah, pretty neutral day in the stock market. More bearish than bullish, but we did finish pretty strong here. So, hey, I'll take it. Before it was down a lot worse. And this is pretty interesting because the VIX is actually down 0.85%, which is a good thing. That's bullish. But you usually don't see the overall market selling off and then the VIX down as well. So this is pretty rare. Interesting. I wonder what's going on there. But yeah, I guess we'll give that some applause. Neutral day today. Better than nothing. All right, let's check out the watch list. Please smash the like button for me, guys. Thank you. All right, so I don't know. Maybe I think the indexes are a bit deceiving here. Well, only the Dow Jones is up, but really not much green here, like at all on my watch list today. Not much in the green and not much price action. On my watch list here, the top gainers are Endeavor, which is UFC, 2.62%, and then American Airlines, 2%. So, for the most part, it looks like today the stuff in the green was mostly the travel stocks. Yeah, American Airlines, Delta Airlines, Disney is up 1.57%. Roku, 1.49%, which is a meme stock in the meme index. Looks like we got some retailers in here as well. Walmart, Walgreens, Southwest Airlines, another airline there. JetBlue, another airline. Now we got eBay, Amazon, up a little bit. Target, another retailer there. Costco, another retailer. Looks like financials are up. We got Ally Bank, JP Morgan, IBKR, MasterCard, TD, American Express, and we got Coke and Pepsi are up, and a few tech stocks. But yeah, really not much going on here on the green side. Mostly airlines, financials, retail, and some tech. They really didn't go up that much, though. Here comes another siren. So not a great start to the day with the sirens. I don't know what the hell's going on today, so my apologies, guys. Sorted by cap size. See how much large caps are doing better than small caps at the moment. How do I sort by cap size? Not sure how to do that. But yeah, so yeah, definitely value stocks are doing better than growth stocks. Larger cap better than small caps, but you know, overall still pretty bad. So really not too much in the green here today. So unless you had some of these boomer stocks, I don't think you guys made money today. Hope you guys did though. But onto the red side. Wow, what happened to BFRI? This really closed terribly here. Anyway, so yeah, a lot of red here and a good amount of price action on the growth stocks. Not really the, not really on the blue chip value stocks, the boomer stuff. But yeah, let's check it out. So we got BFRI number 1 on my red side here, down 29.5%. Ouch. So we'll discuss that third today. That was top 10 on StockTwits. We talked about it. We've been talking about this for like 2 weeks, I think, or something. But yeah, that got wrecked today. Absolutely wrecked. So yeah, we'll discuss that third. Then we got AABB number 2, down 25.68%. Got some news on that. We'll discuss that first today. That was number 1 on StockTwits, most active. Then we got some meme crypto stocks here. GREE, Marathon, ANY, DATS. Those are all down like 10 to 11%. Pretty nasty. CEI, which we talked about yesterday. Another meme stock there, down 9.3%, getting wrecked. That's below $1 again. NAKD, which we'll talk about second today. That was also trending top 10 on StockTwits. Had some news there. That's down 8.91%. So, yeah. All the stuff we'll be analyzing today, pretty nasty. They all got pretty wrecked here. Then we got Riot, another, that's a crypto stock there. That's getting wrecked. Crypto's getting wrecked. A lot of memes here getting wrecked. Smaller cap stuff. Microvision, down 8%. Ocugen, honorable mention, Ocugen. This was top 10 on StockTwits, but, don't really want to talk about the stock anymore. Talk about it a lot, and it didn't. I mean, the price action wasn't too bad, 7.63%. But yeah, RIP to Ocugen. Give that the funeral here. RIP to Ocugen. Apes still believe, though, but not looking great. Yep, got to take profits quick. Low float, most giving back gains from pumpers, getting tore up from shorts, bears, and feasting. Also that Bitcoin following market sentiment most days. Yeah, low float getting wrecked today for sure. Got to hit the sell button. But apes don't apes don't know what sell button is until they learn. And I would say most apes don't learn, but yeah, you got to hit the sell button. Nothing wrong with that. And yeah, most of these are like pump and dumps, squeezes, which, never ends well. And yeah, bears having their way today. All right, what else we got here? BKKT, another crypto stock, getting wrecked. XCLA. So, damn, that's down 7.4% today. So, Monir's not here. I know he's in XCLA, but yeah, I think he said there was like a shareholder meeting. And I said, probably not going to go well. Didn't go well. So, that sucks. AVCT, which we talked about yesterday, down 7% today. Coinbase down 6.76%. Damn. Coinbase getting wrecked today, but crypto in general is. MicroStrategy, another crypto stock there, 6.63%. A lot of memes getting wrecked here. Skills, SOS, Roblox, Bed Bath & Beyond. Those are all down like 6%. Fubo, Robinhood, down 5 to 6%. Wish keeps on going down. Wish down 5% here, pushing $3. MMAT goes still going down, 4.44%. Marvin's not here right now, but he posted something on Discord about MMAT bag holders. That was pretty funny. And we got Tilray and Peloton down 4.3%. Meme stocks there. Meme stocks. I think they're pretty legit, but apparently they're meme stocks. Clover down 4%. So yeah, the meme index is down 3.57%. So yeah, most of the, actually I think every meme stock in the meme index is down today. So yeah, that's getting wrecked. AMC down 3.41%, not too bad there. DraftKings, that's on the meme index, down 3%. Moderna, I think I'm going to buy Moderna pretty soon. I don't think it should be this low. Keeps going down. So, I think I'm going to make a play on this pretty soon. Not financial advice. But that's also in the meme index. But, you know, with all this Omicron stuff and, you know, everyone's getting their boosters, looks like a good play to me. I like the stock. Gorilla gripping my AMC. What up, Machete? Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you. Nice to have you here, as always. Yeah, AMC is holding up pretty well, actually. You know, compared to everything else. I mean, still down a lot from the high, but it is holding up pretty well here. But, you know, you never know with this C19 Omicron stuff. It doesn't really seem to be slowing people down, honestly. Spider-Man was like number 2 biggest opening ever. No one really seems to care, but if we get locked down, which I don't know if that's going to happen, that's going to be bad for AMC. Twitter down 2%. Pfizer down as well, 2%, so I don't know why the vaccines are going down here. Interesting. Palantir keeps getting wrecked, 1.95%. Alibaba keeps getting wrecked, 1.54%. We got GME down 1.25%. And then we got some value stocks going down here. Google, AMD, Nike. These aren't too bad. These are like less than 1%. Apple, GM, Tesla, Netflix, Microsoft. So, yeah, honestly, pretty nasty day. Bearish overall. But really nasty for the growth / meme stocks. Value stocks didn't get hit too hard. They're down, but really not too bad. So, really, the apes got wrecked today. They took it the worst today. The apes. The boomers, you know, not too bad at all. Lost money, but, you know, pretty normal day for them. But yeah, apes got absolutely wrecked today. Fun fact, somebody leaked the new Matrix flick on the web. It is entirely in full HD, and, oh, really? I might have to check that out. I don't know. I hope it did okay. I really like the Matrix. The first one. The second and third one are pretty trash, in my opinion. But, I do want to see that. I just wasn't going to pay for it, so where is it on the web? I guess it's everywhere, but I guess it's gonna be up for a limited time until it gets taken down. I'm assuming it's gonna get taken down eventually. I don't see how the heck it can stay up. But that's pretty cool. If I could see it, then I will check that out for sure. Also, fun fact, the Wachowski brothers, the guys that made The Matrix, are the Wachowski sisters now. I think that's how you call it. They both got sex changes, isn't that? I don't know. I thought that was pretty funny. Both of them. Like, one I can understand, but both of them? What the hell's going on? And I don't understand how. Well, I guess I gotta watch the movie. But, Neo, spoiler alert, Neo, Keanu Reeves, he got deleted in the third movie. Like, I thought it was over. That's how the movie ends. Like, he sacrifices himself to save the world. And now he's back, apparently. So, hey. But I gotta go watch the movie. Hopefully it's pretty good. Alright, so that is the stock market today, guys. So, it wasn't too bad, unless you had a bunch of growth meme stocks. But yeah, hope you guys made money, but that's pretty unlikely. Hope you guys didn't do too bad. Hope you guys held up here. Well, let's get to crypto now. This is a lot worse. Crypto got wrecked today. He was just in recycle bin. In the recycle bin. Is Neo not in the movie? I thought he was. Okay. Well, I gotta go see the movie. Check the Discord. Did you post it? Alright, cool. I'm hoping I don't get a virus. But 123 Movies, I know that site. Alright. So thanks for that, Machete. Might have to watch it later on tonight. Cool. Oh yeah, Eric. I'm not sure if you're in the Discord, but if you want to join, dude, the link is in the description. Would be happy to have you there. Use ad block. Absolutely, ad block is a must. All right, let's get to crypto now, guys. Oh boy. Wow, yeah. This is a bloodbath today in crypto. So crypto is down 6.54% today. And it's gone. Yeah, I did wake up to a Coinbase alert. Like Bitcoin's down 7% or something. I was like, what the hell's going on here? So, but all things considered, it's not too bad. We were just here a couple months ago. So, that's why I sell covered calls on my crypto, on my Bitcoin. So, I have covered calls for the 75,000 strike expiring on New Year's, or expiring December 31st in 3 days. So, that's definitely going to expire worthless. And then I think I'm going to go for the March 22nd 75,000 strike next. And I think at the moment it's like $2,500 per Bitcoin. So pretty good stuff there. So not financial advice, but I think selling covered calls on Bitcoin, on Ether is great idea. Great way to hedge your bets there. All right, so let's see what's going on. So we got MetaPets. This one, we've seen this one quite a bit. I guess it's pretty legit. I don't know. That's up 26.54% today. And then Doge Run. Okay. Doge Run 1.72% up a little bit. Mongoose. What is Mongoose? Alright, this looks like another dog coin. Dog meme coin. So that's down 2%. Meta World. I don't know what that is, but all these metaverse coins are going nuts right now. I'm not sure if that actually is one or the name is just Meta World and that's getting attention. But that's up 276%. We got Multi-Farm Capital. No idea what that is, but 1,500%. And then Capital Finance, 550%. What is this? Animalty-Coon? Animalty-Coon? No idea what that is, but 80% up there. This is pretty funny. Totally a rug pull. TARP, totally a rug pull. That's pretty funny. Imagine, I don't know why it's up 14%, but imagine it really does pump and then rugs. Like, I would not feel bad for you if you buy totally a rug pull and then it rug pulls and then you complain you lost your money. It should be totally not a rug pull. Actually, that'd be better. But, alright. I don't know why you would buy totally a rug pull, but sure. Good luck to those apes. And then Walter Inu. Walter Inu? Who's Walter? Is Walter some sort of dog? I don't know. There was like Clifford Inu and then Volt Inu. And then, now we got Walter Inu. There should be Brian Inu, the guy from Family Guy, the dog. Anyway, enough of this stuff. So on to the legit crypto here. Yeah, it's a bloodbath. So Bitcoin's down 6.84%, below 48K. Ether down 6.31%, below, that's pushing 3,800. Binance down 5.85%. Solana down 9.5%, Cardano down 7.56%, XRP down 8.5%, Terra down 7.9%. Yeah, everything's getting wrecked here. Doge is down 7.5%. But it is holding up pretty well, I will say. Sheep down 10.59%. Crypto.com. And you know, Staples Center, the arena in LA, in Los Angeles, where the Lakers and the Clippers play, is now officially Crypto.com Arena. That happened on Christmas. Crazy stuff there. And then apparently, I read this article that Crypto.com and FTX are going to spend like massive money on Super Bowl ads. So, you know, they love their marketing. All these crypto sites are just marketing like crazy now. Litecoin down 8.32%. Bitcoin Cash 6%. Literally everything is red. Oh, here's something green. Phantom 1.31%. Yeah, FTX is down 6.36%. Ether Classic 8.14%. Literally everything is red here. Oh, Leo is up 3%. That's something. Let's sort this out. So it looks like literally only 5 coins in the green today, and not by much. So 95% of the market is in the red today. So yeah, biggest gainer is IOTA, 5.2%. Then Leo, 3.37%. And then Phantom, Icon, and Celsius are all up as well, but barely, like less than 1%. So, yeah, really the only things up today are IOTA and Leo. And then on the red side, yeah, 95% of the coins in the red here. A lot of price action too. Mostly led by growth, I would say, though. Not too much value here. Biggest value loser is Polkadot, 11.72%. And then Crypto.com. Then Sheeb. But yeah, pretty much everything went down about 10 to 5% today. 5 to 10%. So yeah, nasty day in crypto. One of the more nasty days in a while, actually. But, you know, like I said, all things considered, it's not too bad. We were here just a couple months ago, so people tend to forget that. You know, people just want moon, moon, moon. You know, it's like a 3-month pullback. So unfortunate, but hang in there, guys. So I don't really see how you guys could have made money in crypto today, but I hope you guys didn't get wrecked too hard. Okay. So yeah, guys, that is the stock and the crypto markets today. Stock market was slightly bearish. Not too bad. Crypto's really bad. So, yeah, hope you guys made out okay today. Hope you guys didn't get wrecked too hard. And yeah, I got no news for today. There wasn't any significant news, so we'll get right into the analysis. Time is at 4:32, so we're doing pretty good on time so far. All right. So again, today we'll be doing AABB, Asia Broadband, NAKD, Naked Brand, and BFRI Biofrontera. This shouldn't take too long. So yeah, I'll try to get through this as quickly as possible. I know this is the boring part. So let's get through this, and then we'll get to the Yolos. Okay, and please smash the like button for me, guys, before we get started here. All right. So let's do it, guys. So here is AABB, Asia Broadband. This finishes at 18.3%. Excuse me. Yeah, 18.3 cents today. That is down 25.68%. So we've been talking about this stock for the past few days. The other day when I did a video, I said no significant news as to why the stock is pumping so hard, and then some people jumped on my case there, saying like big catalyst coming up, crypto exchange is going to launch. I did forget about that, so my bad on that. But I did say, I did reply, saying that, you know, there have been many other stocks with crypto exchanges, and on the launch day, those stocks tend to sell off pretty hard. So I said, just be careful. It appears like that might be a sell the news event. And today, it sells off 26%. So, yeah, this was in fact a sell the news event. So, yeah, that's the reason why for this price action today. Big catalyst and sell the news event here. So, you know, very unfortunate. Sorry to everyone who lost money. But, you know, hope you guys can learn from this. This is a learning lesson. Expensive tuition. But, yeah, usually when there is, for the future, usually when there is a big catalyst coming up, it usually sells off. When there's breaking news, it pumps. But when there's a big catalyst, usually the smart money dumps it before... The smart money dumps it on the dumb money, to be blunt. Because they know that people are buying in anticipation for this big catalyst. And I know it's kind of counterintuitive, but yeah, it usually gets dumped on big news. But yeah, let's go ahead and analyze here. Okay. Is this a gap? I guess that's not a gap. All right. So there is a gap back at 5 cents. So that is a bearish indicator that is telling us the stock may go back down to 5 cents eventually to fill this gap. Looks pretty unlikely at this point, but you never know. That is very noteworthy. So keep that in mind, guys. Gap up at 5 cents, bearish indicator there. And right now, this is not looking too great. This looks like it's possibly going into free fall / bear flagging. No confirmation just yet, but it's not looking great. And this could go really, really bad if this is in fact a bear flag here. That's going to form soon. So yeah, free fall and possible bear flag. Really bearish indicators there. Is all Santa coin tanking since Christmas is over? Probably. Probably. Where's the New Year coin? That should be the new thing. Okay. And if you guys want to follow along, the link to the chart is in the description down below. So right now this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 18.6 cents and 17.4 cents. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 18.6 cents, 20 cents, 21.7 cents, 23.1 cents, 23.8 cents, 24.7 cents, 25.3 cents, 26.8 cents, 28 cents, 29 cents, 30.1 cents, 32 cents, and then 33.4 cents. And there is resistance above 33.4 cents, but we're not going to discuss that right now. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 17.4 cents, 16.2 cents, 14.7 cents, 13.1 cents, 11.9 cents, 10.5 cents, let me zoom in here. Can't even do that. All right, 10.5 cents, 9.5 cents, and then 8.5 cents. And there is support below 8.5 cents, but we're not going to discuss that right now. So right now at this current price, 18.3 cents. The channels to the upside and the downside are decently sized, so expect a good amount of price action either way this goes. However, if/when this breaks 35 cents to the upside, the channel starts to open up and get really wide. So expect a significant increase in price action if/when this breaks 35 cents. RSI is currently at 46, so a little below average now. So according to the RSI, this current price of 18.3 cents is around fair market value. And this did 246 million in volume today. Very significant volume. So the sell-off today was confirmed by the volume. Okay, guys, so just my opinion, not financial advice. This does appear to be bearish in the short term. Again, we have the gap up, and it's free falling right now. Possible bear flag as well. So those are all bearish indicators. Really no bullish indicators or neutral indicators. So this makes me believe that this will pull back. This will continue to pull back in the short term at least. How far it's going to go down, I can't say. But there is the gap at 5 cents. So hopefully it doesn't go down there, but that is pretty possible. So if you want to go long, not financial advice, I would not do that, and I would not recommend that. Like I said, this is looking like it's free falling right now. It looks like it still has a long way to go to the downside. So it's really not too smart to go long here. You should be able to get a much better price if you're just a little patient. How far it's going to go down, again, I have no idea. But the smarter play would be just to hold off for right now. Observe the price action. See when this starts to bottom out. Starts to catch support. Then come in and make your move. Because if you were to go long at this current price, 18.3 cents, you're probably going to end up holding some bags. You'd be buying into a falling knife. So, yeah, I don't like the price of 18.3 cents. But again, as long as you're a little patient, you should be able to get a much better price. So I could support going long once this starts to bottom out, catch a support, and reverse. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice. Seems like a pretty decent play. You already missed the fat tendies the past 2 days. This has been selling off. But again, it still looks bearish in the short term. Looks like it's going into free fall. So I can't say how much you're going to make on the short side here. But you should probably be able to make some decent money. Nothing crazy. Maybe like 10 to 20%. But, yeah, this appears like it's going to be running to the downside for a little bit here. So, again, you already missed the big tendies, but going short at 18.3 cents seems to be a pretty decent play still. So I would support going short here. And once this starts to bottom out and catch support, then please cover. So yeah. Again, I don't know how far it's going to go down, but you should be able to make some pretty decent money here on the short side. So sorry to everyone who lost money in the stock today. But again, hope you guys can learn from this. In the future, when there's a big catalyst coming up, consider selling the news. It's called buying the rumor, selling the news. So, sell the news next time, guys. Don't hold the news, because you're going to end up holding the bag. And good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is AABB, Asia Broadband. Christmas rally could be till first week in January, but this market feels really out of breath with only a few stocks holding up the index funds and ETFs. Yeah, hopefully, but with the tapering and the C19 going on, I don't know. It's really not looking too great. But hey, you never know. Our man Jay Powell can just keep printing money, although he said he's not. But I don't know. Do you trust him? So, 2022 should definitely slow down the economy. But is it gonna go bearish? I'm not too sure about that, but it'll definitely slow down. I don't know. Maybe they'll print more money and we'll get more stimulus checks. That'd be nice. Look at all those support lines. Yeah, there's a lot here, but still looks pretty bearish. I mean, the last 2 days this blew right through all these supports. And like I said, it's looking like free fall right now. So support's not holding up pretty well here. So we'll have to see where this goes. All right, next one, NAKD. Cool. So here is NAKD, Naked Brand Group. This finishes at $5.01 today. That is down 8.91%. Is that a gap? That is a gap. So we discussed this stock not too long ago. This recently reverse split. It did a 1 to 15 reverse split. Been pretty rough for this stock ever since the squeezed back in January. It's just been slowly bleeding ever since. And it just keeps making lower lows. But yesterday we did have some news coming out here. So let's check it out. So the news is that Centro, which is merging with NAKD Brand Group, announces delivery of 628 light urban EVs, reaffirms guidance to deliver 20,000 vehicles in 2022. So if you guys don't know, NAKD did acquire Centro, which is an EV maker. Honestly, I have no idea why. NAKD Brand is a clothing company. I don't know what they're doing with EVs, but hey, okay. Damn, gonna mute here for a second, guys. I hear the ambulance. My bad. Give me a second here. All right, my apologies. So that's interesting because that appears to be bullish news. But it seems like the market doesn't agree. And the stock sells off today pretty significantly, 9%. So let's go ahead and analyze now. So first of all, we have a gap down at 690. So that is a bullish indicator that is telling us this stock should come back up to 690 eventually to fill this gap. At the same time, we have a gap up all the way back from January. Gap up at 320. So that would be a bearish indicator that is telling us this stock may come back down to 320 eventually to fill this gap. And if you guys want to follow along, the link to the chart is in the description down below. Okay. So right now this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 510 and 410. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 510, 570, 620, 705, 770, 840, 905, 980, 1040, 1090, 1165, 1265, 1335, and then 1410. And there is resistance above 1410, but we're not going to discuss that right now. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 410, 320, and then the low of 285. So right now at this current price, $5, the channels to the upside and the downside are decently sized, so expect a good amount of price action either way this goes. However, if/when this breaks 1845 to the upside, the channel starts to open up and get really wide, so expect a significant increase in price action if/when this breaks 1845. RSI is currently at 19, so that is extremely oversold and undervalued. So this could be a good buying opportunity. Not financial advice. And this did 7 million in volume today, which is above average, so this sell-off today was confirmed by the volume. Put ASAN and Palantir on your list for videos. We could look at it real quick. Those aren't really like popular on social media, so I don't know if I'm gonna do a whole video on those, but we could look at those really quick. I can take a look at the chart for you, Eric. We can do that after this, actually. Okay, guys. So just my opinion, not financial advice. We are getting some mixed signals here. We have the gap up at 320. So that's bearish. And then we have the gap down at 690 and the low RSI. So those would be bullish. So right now this does appear to be slightly bullish based on the TA here. Now this is pretty scary because the next support after the current one is 410. So this can easily go down another 20% if this breaks support here at around 510, which it technically already did. So honestly, this current price of $5 is already pretty good, but there is still more downside potential here. This appears to be rapidly selling off. Hasn't really caught any support yet. So while the TA does look slightly bullish, personally, I think this will continue to sell off in the short term at least. So if you want to go long, not financial advice, couldn't blame you if you want to go long here at $5. Like I said, that's already a pretty excellent price. But honestly, I think if you wait a little bit, you should be able to get a better one. Maybe even 320, where the gap is. And eventually this should fill the gap at 690. So, that's 40% to the upside there. But yeah, you know, if you want to go long, I can support this current price of $5 and lower. If it keeps pulling back, then you can just average down at the supports that I mentioned before. Personally, I'd wait a little bit longer, see if you can get a better price, but I really couldn't blame you if you want to go long here at $5. It's already an excellent price with more downside potential. Going long here looks like an easy 40% to the upside. And if it pulls back even more to fill the gap at 320, that'd be over a, that'd be what? That'd be about a 110% upside there. So, yeah, really can't go wrong here at $5. But if it keeps pulling back, that'll be even, which it very well could. That would be even better. But yeah, I would support going long at $5 and lower. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice. Seems like a pretty decent play. It's just kind of risky. Going short here would be a high risk, high reward play, I would say. Personally, I wouldn't do it. Too risky for my liking. But again, this could pull back down to 320, and that would be about a 40% downside there. But at the same time, this already pulled back so much, so it can only pull back so much further. And there is a good amount of upside potential here. So, yeah, a really risky play. Personally, I wouldn't do it. But going short here could pay off pretty big. So, it's somewhat of a gamble. But if you guys understand you are gambling, it could pay off pretty big. So, I could support going short here at $5. Just please cover at 320 once this fills the gap. And as long as you're aware of the risks. So yeah, longer term, this is definitely a good play. If you want to buy, but in the short term, this could keep pulling back. So, yeah, it's been rough for this stock, but just hang in there, guys. Eventually, it should come back up. So sorry to everyone who lost money in the stock today. And good luck to everyone currently in this stock. But could be a good buying opportunity. Not financial advice. And good luck to everyone currently in this stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is NAKD, Naked Brand Group. Alright, last one, guys. Oh, let's do ASAN and Palantir first for Eric. We'll quickly look at these. I definitely talked about ASAN. That sounds familiar. Asana. I don't know what this is, but it sounds like a biotech. So, this one seems to be a pretty decent buy here. There's a gap down at $90. So that should be an easy 20% at this current price. 75. It looks like it bottomed out and is recovering here. So this isn't like the greatest buy in the world right now, but it looks pretty decent. This should be an easy 20% at least, and this may even be a cup and handle. So this does have the potential to go back to the high of 145, which would be about 100% upside here. So, yeah, going long here seems like a pretty good play. This would be 20 to 100% upside. And RSI is at 40 right now, so that's below average. So it looks like a pretty decent buy to me. I could support going along here. Not financial advice. Palantir. Personally, I hate this stock. I used to be in Palantir. I used to be a Palantard. I sold at like 27.5. I managed to escape. But yeah, Apes still really like this stock. But I can't even lie. This looks like a really good buy right now. This looks like it's strong support at 18. Retested that a couple of times. RSI is at 39, so below average there. That's pretty bullish. And we have multiple gap downs at 31. And then we have another gap down here, I believe. Yeah, at 24. So eventually this should come back up to 24 and 31 to fill those gaps. Looks like a cup and handle in the making here, possible. So this could come back up to 27 to complete this cup. So it's looking pretty bullish based on the TA here. Really nothing bearish about this based on the TA. A lot of bullish indicators, no bearish indicators, and you got the apes behind you. So personally, I don't really like the stock anymore. I used to, but based on the TA, it does look really good, I have to admit. So this looks like a pretty good buy to me. Not financial advice. C-Pop looking good after hours. Wow, look at this. Opened at 78 and then straight BitConnect here. Wow, it is going up after hours. About like 20% already. So why is there so much volume today? What happened here? Biggest volume day ever. Is there a catalyst? New website launch. That's not even news. So I'm not really sure what happened here, but a lot of big volume. 72 million in volume, biggest volume day ever. So, I don't really believe in the Chinese stuff right now. Everything China is pretty scary at the moment. But yeah, just based on the TA here, you really can't go too wrong. This is like already so low. And it may be the start of a reversal. But, at this current price, even after this big run today, 36% and up even more in the aftermarket, it still looks like a pretty good buy, if you ask me. Longer term, at least. It might pull back in the short term, but you really can't go too wrong here. So, yeah, Educated Fool, not sure what your entry was, but it seems like you got in pretty good here, and you're printing right now. So you're up to 420, so you're probably up even more now. So congrats to you, man. Consider taking profits. Personally, like I said, I don't really like this Chinese stuff, but based on the graph here, it looks really good to me. So congrats to you, man. Fat tendies. Glad you didn't buy at 70 plus. Someone did. So RIP to them. Yeah, imagine. Yeah, but someone did buy at 70. So I give him the funeral. What are you using for stock momentum scanners and finding what to start following? Well, you can go on StockTwits. I use StockTwits, so there's like an indicator of, it's not a momentum indicator, but it pretty much is. It's like a most mentioned indicator, so it kind of is a momentum indicator. On StockTwits, you can check the trending tabs, the most active tabs. That's usually what I do the videos on. And then you can just go in the TD scan tool, and then you just look at, you just search, go 200 here. And you just search what's up for the day. So you just look at the price action, percent change, and then you look at the volume to see if it's legit or not. So that's usually what I just do. I don't day trade on the long side, to be honest. I find it a lot easier to short. But yeah. Oh, market sentiment. I think that's it. Yeah. So I just use TD scan tool, Thinkorswim scan tool, and then StockTwits. That's how personally I do it. And usually when it's on StockTwits and people are screaming moon, and you see all these ass and titties memes and everything, it's probably already over. So you might want to inverse that. Just my opinion. $2.15 entry. All right, not bad. So you caught the later end of today, but $2.15. So you're up Up like 30% right now. So congrats to you, educated fool. Yeah, fat tendies. You know, consider taking something off the table, not financial advice. Look at AMRR. Thanks for being here, O'Milly. Sure, dude. As long as you guys smash the like button, please smash the like button for me, guys. Appreciate that. AMRR. I don't know what this is. American Recycling. So this is definitely a penny stock here. Not a penny stock, but low float stock. So I don't know about tomorrow. This definitely looks like a squeeze today, for sure. Because the volume. We'll do the 180-day chart. This definitely looks like it's squeezing because this did 260,000 in volume, and I don't know what the average volume is. It doesn't even say, but this is by far the biggest volume day ever for this stock. Not even close. So this is definitely a squeeze right now. 262% for, yeah. So this is definitely squeezed today, and it's already pulling back. So honestly, I think it looks pretty bearish in the short term. We have a gap up here at, 56 cents. RSI's at 76. So those are both bearish. This is overbought and overvalued right now, according to the RSI. This doesn't appear to be a multi-day squeeze. I think the squeeze is already over. It pulled back already so hard from 350. So honestly, might not be what you want to hear, but I think in the short term this looks pretty bearish. So I think it's going to continue to pull back in the next few days here, and it probably will come back down to 56 to fill this gap, and maybe even 31, because there's another gap here at 31, 32-ish. So, I think you already missed your chance. Well, I hope you're already in this and you made tendies today. And if you did, I'd probably sell it and rebuy when this pulls back. But if you're not in this and you want to take a position, I would say no, dude. That's probably not a good idea. So yeah, my thoughts in the short term looks pretty bearish to me. So if you're already in it, I would say sell. If you're not in it, I would say hold off. And honestly, this might even be a good short. So, but yeah, dude, looks pretty bearish to me. So, hope that answers your question. May not be what you want to hear, but that's what the chart says. It's a 50 cent stock if you want it long. Yeah, for sure. 54, like I said, 55, 56 should come back there. So I'd set the buy order to 55 or something around there. Recycle should do well, but that is a pump unless they had a buyout or partner news. Yeah, definitely looks like a pump and dump squeeze. This definitely is squeezing today, and it already looks over. So, yeah, pump and dump squeeze here. All right, guys. Last one, BFRI. Cool. So here is BFRI Biofrontera. This finishes at $8.10 today. That is down 29.5%. So we've been talking about this stock a lot lately. Talked about it yesterday. Been talking about it for the past few weeks. This was going through a short squeeze. Hit 1463 at the high. And now it does appear like the squeeze is coming to an end here. Maybe not. Maybe I'm wrong, but it definitely looks like this is losing a lot of momentum here, and it looks like it's going to dump pretty hard. It's already begun dumping hard here. So no specific news to justify this price action today, so I'm going to assume just apes taking profit. Yeah, it looks like the squeeze is over and the apes are taking profit here. So let's go ahead and analyze. So we do have two gap ups. One gap up at 265. So that's a bearish indicator that is telling us the stock may come back down. Well, we'll get to that. So yeah, gap up at 265 and then another gap up at 790. So those are bearish indicators because that is telling us this stock may come back down to 790 to fill this gap. That looks very likely. And then it may come back down to 265 to fill this gap. Now that one at the moment looks pretty unlikely, but you never know. Very noteworthy at least. So keep that in mind, guys. Gap up at 265, bearish indicator. This also looks like a gap down at $11. So that would be a bullish indicator that is telling us this stock should come back up to $11 eventually to fill this gap. And this does appear to be free falling right now, / bear flagging. So that's not good. This will probably continue to run to the downside in the short term, pretty significantly. So more bearish indicators there. Okay, so if you guys want to follow along, the link to the chart is in the description down below. And at the time of recording, this is pulling back in the aftermarket here down to $8. So that's another bearish indicator that would suggest that tomorrow this will continue to sell off as well. Okay. So right now this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 825 and 790. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 825, 855, 955, $10, $10.40, $11, $11.50, $12, $13.25, $14, and then the high of $14.63. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 790, 720, 685, 665, $6, 545, 505, 475, 430, 405, 380, 355, 325, $3, 265, and then the low of 240. So right now at this current price, 810, the channels to the upside and the downside are pretty wide, so expect significant price action either way this goes. However, if / when this breaks 430 to the downside, the channel starts to narrow, so expect a significant decrease in price action if / when this breaks 430. RSI is currently at 53, so a little above average, but around, but according to the RSI, this current price of 810 is around fair market value, and this did 14.5 million in volume today. Significant volume, so this sell-off today was confirmed by the volume. Okay, guys, so really not much has changed since yesterday, so it's going to be more or less the same. This does appear to be pretty bearish in the short term, at least. we have a lot of bearish indicators. Again, double gap up. Free falling right now, possible bear flag. And it is selling off in the aftermarket here. So a lot of bearish indicators. Only bullish indicator is the gap down at $11. So eventually it should come back up to 11, but I think in the short term this will continue to sell off. So therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice, I would not do that, and I would not recommend that. Again, looks really bearish in the short term. So if you go long here, you'd be buying into a falling knife and probably going to end up holding some pretty big bags. So I'm not sure how far this is going to go down, but it appears to still have some pretty big downside. So I'd hold off for right now. Just observe the price action. Wait till this starts to bottom out, catch support, and then I would come in and make your move. But yeah, going long here would be a high risk, low reward play at the moment. Doesn't seem to be too smart. Please don't go long right now, guys. If you're a little patient, you should be able to get a much better price. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, seems like a pretty decent play. You already missed some fat tendies in the past 2 days, but again, still looks really bearish in the short term. So you should be able to make some pretty decent money still on the short side. Again, I have no idea how far this is going to go down, but still appears to have some pretty big downside potential. So I would support going short at this current price, 810, and I would cover when this starts to bottom out and catch support. No idea when that is, but just pay attention and cover when it does start to catch support. This should be an easy 10 to 20% at least on the short side. So yeah, pretty decent play. Could pay off pretty big as well. So yeah, you already missed the fat tendies, but there are still more tendies to be made to the downside here. So I would support going short at 810. So sorry to everyone who lost money in the stock today. If you're up, consider taking profits because this does not look good in the short term. And good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is BFRI Biofrontera. Like the smash button, or smash the like button. You mean boys and girls? Yes, please. Please smash the like button for me, guys and girls. Would appreciate that. All right. So, that's all the TA for today. Making some pretty good time. 5:21. So we've been going hour and 20 minutes here. So, yeah, all that's left is the Yolos, and this shouldn't take too long either. We got some pretty fun stuff there. So yeah, appreciate everyone who stuck through all the TA. I know that was some boring stuff, but we got through that pretty quickly. So let's get on to the fun stuff now. Give me 1 second. Let me pull that up. Oops. How many people still in here? 5 people. So still a decent amount of people in here. Appreciate everyone who stuck around. All right, let me pull up the Yolos here. What is that, machete? Looks like a half loading thing. Like it's loading or something. Looks like an emoji. All right. So today should be pretty fun. Nothing too serious. We got some no memes actually, but we have a no. We got one meme. We got one meme. Some general lost corn and gain corn, and then we got HIMX Yolos. Two of those. No idea what that is, but apparently it's pretty popular on Wall Street Bets right now. And then we got Tesla and SPY. So let's do it, guys. You were lagging out for a couple of secs. Hope it's good right now. Yeah, that's that's the loading thing. So I hope it's good right now. All right, so this first one is by Cold Ed 9733. Dino Stonks on the way. Or OTW. I think that's on the way. So, yeah, I don't know what stock this actually is, but you see, this is called the, what is this? Bronchosaurus, I think this is, with a long neck that eats the trees and stuff. This is called the Bronchosaurus indicator. Now, I'm totally joking. This is not an actual indicator, but yeah, see, he drew a dinosaur here. So, it could be the Godzilla indicator. So, it looks pretty bullish to me. Pretty good drawing here, too. So, you know what that means? Buy calls. I wonder what stock this actually is, though. But yeah. The dinosaur indicator there. Good stuff. Alright. This one is by Kilo 7 Echo. Cheers to New Year's and new losses. Alright, so this is a general lost corn. So, year to date. So at the high, he was over 500K, it looks like. Maybe like 575K. And just bleeding. And then it was pretty steady for a while. And then just straight tanking. Bloodbath and then more bloodbath. So I give him the G there. You can kind of draw a dinosaur on this one too, just the other way. But yeah, it looks like a 600K loss year to date. Pretty nasty. So during a historic bull run, he's down 600K. So I give him the Wendy's. Clown. So, yeah, there's only really one way this is possible, which is FD Yolos. So, kind of looks like a gambling addiction to me. I don't know. Tried to dig himself out of a hole and just lost everything. But yeah, Kilo 7 Echo, thanks for posting. Great content, very entertaining. Sorry for your loss, man, but in the name of content, respect. Hope this wasn't too bad, you know? Hope you can afford to lose this, because that's pretty nasty. And yeah, may I suggest not YOLOing on FDs anymore in the future? You know, you could still got a lot of money here, 155K. And, you know, if you do it the right way, you can make it back. And more. But yeah, good stuff, good stuff. Definitely belong here. So, sorry for your loss. Thanks for posting, and good luck to you in the future. This is God's way of telling you that you're too retarded to have that much money in the first place. The Lord giveth and the Lord taketh. Wendy's employee plus senior discount unlocked. He said he had a lot of meme and growth shares that just decayed over time. Options in between those. So yeah, YOLOing on meme stocks and then FDs. That would do it. That would do it. What's your strategy been? Buy high, sell low, the usual. Alright, guys. So yeah, don't YOLO on meme stocks and FDs. Lesson learned. Brontosaurus chart pattern is a known bullish trend pattern, lol. Could be. On this forum, it definitely is. Reverse Brontosaurus pattern is typically bearish. Actually, I would say, in reality, the Brontosaurus pattern probably looks bearish, and the reverse Brontosaurus probably looks bullish. But yeah, good stuff. Alright, this one is by MT Hex. 2021 annual returns. It's good to be a bull. Alright, so yeah, some general gain corn here. So in the past year, he's up $305,000. 164%. Very nice, very nice. So almost 500K here. 492K. In total. So this definitely, I don't know. This doesn't appear to be FD YOLOing. This appears to be some pretty good investing, actually. It's a slow and steady gain. You know, chart looks pretty normal. I don't know what happened here. It was a big dip, and then he just made it all back. But I say that, but then you have SPY options expiring this week. So maybe there are FD YOLOs. I don't know. But this appears to be, on the surface, pretty common sense investing. But yeah, this is not typical, guys, especially on this forum. This is not typical of this forum. Common sense investing, slow, steady gains, even wins on this forum is not too common. So nice to see a change here. And it is good to be a bull, but a lot of bulls on this forum get wrecked anyway. So yeah, pretty straightforward. Nice gain corn here. So MT Hex, thanks for posting. Congrats to you, man. Thanks for posting, yeah, and good luck to you in the future. A lot of comments here. Mostly I'm trading SPY like you guessed, selling out of the money put spreads on the way up, buying out of the money call spreads on the way down. Alright, so he is trading options. But he's not YOLOing on the options. He's actually, you know, doing options the right way, buying and selling spreads. You know, usually all apes know is buy puts, sell, or buy puts, buy calls. They don't know what a spread is. They don't know what shares are. So this seems to be some, you know, pretty legit trading here. Yeah, see, cash secured puts, the wheel, which is, you know, what I always say. I love selling options and the wheel. So yeah, this is some pretty good common sense investing here. Debit spreads. Anyway. Yeah, so this is good strategy here. Debit spreads, cash secured puts, covered calls. So this is the way you do it, guys. Shares and strategies with options, not just YOLO FDs. This is how you do it, guys. All right. This one is by Bobby Vanda. HIMX YOLO update, up around $100,000 in a month. Riding these until $30 share price. Reminds me of early days AMD. All right, so I don't know what HIMX is. But apparently it's pretty popular in Wall Street Bets right now. HIMX Technologies, ADR. So it sounds like a tech company, overseas tech company. But yeah, here we have some leaps. We got 250 calls for the 15 strike, January 2023. 200 calls for the 13 strike, June 17th, 2022. And then 200 calls for $20 strike, January 2023. So this is not actually a YOLO. You know, this is pretty well done, I would say. You know, good strikes, good expirations, and good timing. So this is another strategy to win on options, not FD YOLOs. This is like buying way out of the money. I mean, not way out of the money. This is buying like realistic strikes with the expiration far down the road. So these are leaps, you know, anything considered 6 months and out are leaps, which is another strategy that I support. So yeah, you know, very well done, very well done. But at the moment, let's take a look here. HIMX is at $14 approximately. And I will have to say this does look kind of bearish. Looks like a cup and handle here, around 15. RSI is at 74, so it is overbought and overvalued at the moment. So this does look pretty bearish in the short term. So personally, I would probably sell it. I'd probably just sell everything here. And if it pulls back, which it probably will, then you can rebuy. So, yeah. So Bobby Vanda, congrats to you, man. Great plays here all around. I really, really like this. This is well done. But at this point, I'm not sure if you should hold this to $30 a share. Because based on the chart, based on the TA, it does look pretty bearish here. So personally, I think the best play is to secure the gains right now. Like cut everything and just rebuy when it pulls back. Because it probably will. And, you know, if you do hold to $30 a share, you might lose all your money. Just saying. That's usually what happens during these YOLOs, you know. People hold for too long and then end up losing everything. So that'd be a shame. So, yeah, I think the best play is to cut everything right now and rebuy when it pulls back. But, hey, you know, whatever happens, please post updates. Want to see how this goes. So, yeah, congrats to you so far. Great plays all around. Really well done. Think you should sell, but he's in no immediate danger of, you know, of losing money here. Up a lot here. 200%, 200%, 150%. So, looks pretty good. Congrats to you, man. But why, though, this crap crashes out every freaking year? If you're truly interested, check out their last earnings report. Their highest margin sector is taking off right now, and they've had steady growth in the past 3 years. Healthy financials, too. Q4 is looking juicy. I believe it'll be $25 by the end of 2022. Yeah, I think he's thinking too much into it. I don't know. He should hit the sell button. He should hit the sell button. It sounds like he wants to hold, and he's probably going to lose money. I don't know. He should probably sell. That'd be something. If he held everything and lost everything, then he definitely belongs here. Anyway, next one. by Yamimi. I listened and I buy HIMX to the moon. To the moon. To the moon with an M. To the moo. So another HMIX YOLO. More risky than the last one. So we have 124 calls for HIMX, $19 strike, expiring April 14th. So these were purchased in September. So these are also leaps. Not a total FD here. So yeah, this was a $3,000 YOLO approximately. And right now he's up $6,700, 207%. Yeah, to the moo. That's my bull sound effect. Not quite a cow, but a bull, a male cow. All right, so yeah, so I like the strike, I like the expiration, and I like the timing. So this is again very well done. Not a super FD. This is well thought out and well executed. So congrats to you so far, man. But yeah, at this point, I think this is pretty obvious. So this is like way out of the money still. So actually, you know what? I don't like the strike. I don't like the strike, but I do like the expiration and the timing. So overall, pretty good play. But even though the strike is so far out, $5 out of the money, he's still up 200% here. So I think this is pretty obvious at this point. Chart looks really bearish, and you're so far out of the money. Gotta cut. Gotta cut. Absolutely gotta cut. And I would say cut everything. At least cut the cost basis. So then, you know, at that point, you're playing on house money. But I just cut everything here. This is pretty obvious to me. Pretty straightforward. Probably not going to 19. And right now it looks like it's topping out here. So if he doesn't sell here, it's probably going to go down. I think these contracts are worth the most money it's going to be right here. So I think this is an obvious cut. But yeah, Yamimi, thanks for posting. Congrats to you so far, dude. Very well done. Don't like the strike, but good expiration, good timing. So overall, pretty good play. And yeah, I think you should cut. This is an obvious cut to me. Because if you don't, you're probably going to end up losing everything. So please cut, dude. At least cut the cost basis. Because if you don't, it's probably all going to zero. I'm going to find you a real good bull sound effect, but we'll leave it in Discord. All right, dude, appreciate that. Yeah, I got to update my memes and my sound effects pretty soon. I was thinking about getting the, that Mexican guy. You know, the Mexican guy laughing. I need that meme. And then I was going to get the troll guy. You know, for when the trolls come in here and stuff, and I play that. But yeah, you know, any memes, always welcome some more memes, some more suggestions, and sound effects, you know? So appreciate that, Machete. What up, Marvin? Thanks for being here, dude. Seems like you're pretty busy with your new job, man. But I appreciate you making the time to, you know, come in here. We're almost done, though. You know, we got like 2 memes left, or 2 YOLOs left. But yeah, nice to see you, man. Appreciate you. But yeah, can't blame me, man. Get that money. Get that money. And then you know what to do with it. YOLO and FDs. Not financial advice. All right, so yeah, Yamimi, thanks for posting. Good luck to you. Please cut, and please post updates. Oh, and Marvin, I did see you posted some stuff on Discord, some pretty funny stuff. I didn't really get a chance to look at them yet, but he posted something about MMAT. Yeah, those guys are getting wrecked. I gotta watch that later. And then he posted some like XRP song. I gotta look at that too. I didn't listen to those yet. But thanks for that, man. Alright, this one is by Sudden Culture 4497. Entered this position today. I am retarded. Alright, let's check it out. So here we got 26 calls. Oh my god. 26 calls for Tesla. What's the strike? 1105 strike. 1105 strike. Expiring December 31st. So 3 days to go. Super FD. So yeah, this was a 81.5k YOLO. And right now he's down over 23k. $23,000. Down 28.5%. Oh boy, oh boy. Not TSLA. Tesla. Alright, well, you know what? It's pretty close to the money here. You know, 15 bucks out of the money. But, damn, like... This is pretty nuts. This is pretty nuts. So, don't do this, guys. So the strike is pretty decent, but bad expiration and bad timing. So, overall, not the greatest play. I guess not terrible, but really, really risky. Don't do this, guys. I mean, at this point, what can you really do except hold? I don't know. This is pretty scary. Good chance it finishes in the money. But he's already down 30%. And you know what? This is what I would do. Whatever happens tomorrow, cut. That's what I would say. Because if it goes down tomorrow, yeah, I would say it's pretty much over. Got to cut the losses. And if it goes up tomorrow, he's going to, you know, he can make his money back and he should just escape. He should be lucky and just escape. But this is pretty stupid. But right now, you can't. I don't think it's the best idea to cut right here. But yeah, I would say whatever happens tomorrow, gotta cut. But the way to avoid ridiculous situations like this is not to do them in the first place. So, you know, don't FD YOLO all this money, guys. This is ridiculous. But hey, great content, you know. Respect to that. Great content. So, yeah. Sudden Culture 4497. Thanks for posting. Great content. Sorry for your loss so far. But, I don't know. You kind of deserve it, dude. This is pretty stupid. And, yeah, good strike, bad expiration, bad timing. So, overall, pretty bad play. Not terrible, but pretty bad. And, yeah, at this point, you can't cut it. But, this all really comes down to what happens tomorrow. Yeah, I would say. Whatever happens tomorrow, cut. Either you're going to walk away lucky. You're going to be lucky to walk away here with break even or a small gain. Or you're going to lose most of your money. So, yeah. Got to cut tomorrow, no matter what. And I suggest not doing this in the future. But yeah. Good luck to you. Thanks for posting. And please post updates. That's a hell of a bounce, Tesla. I don't trust Elon. He said he's done dumping, but is he really? I think so. You know, one thing with Elon is he doesn't lie. He doesn't lie. If he says he's going to do something, he really does it. So, I think he's telling the truth. He said he's almost done. He didn't say he's done. He said he's almost done. So, watch. The last day of the year, he's going to do his final dump and just tank the stock. And then everyone's getting wrecked. For everyone asking, yes, I bought at the top today. Here's to hoping Papa Elon secures funding by end of the week. Funding for what? He doesn't need funding. All right, last one here. Well, we got two more from Low Roller. By Zionist King. So we definitely reviewed this guy yesterday. And I guess this is an update. Yep. On vacation with my family. F it, let it ride. Oh boy. All right. So let's open these images here. So yeah, 150 calls for SPY, 480 strike. Expiring January 5th. So there's still. So this is an FD, but not a super FD. So this was a 6.5K YOLO, and right now is up 22.5K, $22,500, 345%. Sent you two links in Discord. You will need to edit out the bits you like. I appreciate that, man. Also, the laughing guy's Spaniard, not Mexican. Really? Kind of looks Mexican to me. But all right. Because he's the mustache, and he's like, Spaniards are usually like, kind of like, they're like white, He's like more darker. He looks more Mexican than Spaniard to me, but all right. You learn something every day. But yeah, gotta get that one. And appreciate the links, dude. I'll check them out later. And I gotta check out the Matrix later. Alright, so this was posted a day ago. Before this massive dump today. So, SPY is currently at 477. So this was in the money. Now it's not. Same difference, to be honest. I guess so, dude. I don't know if actual Spaniard or Mexican would agree with that, but to the rest of us, I guess so. All right, so yeah, this was in the money yesterday. Now it's out of the money, so this definitely went down a lot since yesterday. He should still be up some pretty good money, though. So, yeah, he says on vacation, let it ride. I don't know, dude. Maybe you should cut it. Maybe you should cut. Because if this goes bad, which it might go, there's a good chance it does, your wife might leave you for her boyfriend. And take the kids, too, so. Yeah, definitely not up 345% anymore. But I still think he's up a decent amount here. And at this point, I would just cut. Secure the gains while he's up, while you're up. Probably still up at least 100%, I would say, around there. And, yeah, pretty obvious to me. Don't let it ride. Hit the sell button, dude. Secure the gains before you lose everything. But yeah, Zionist King, thanks for posting. Great content. Thanks for the update. The play itself, good strike, bad expiration, decent timing, I guess. Overall, pretty decent play. Average play, I guess. And yeah, he should have sold yesterday. But, after today, probably still up a good amount of money. Definitely should sell now. Because if you don't, probably going to zero. Good chance it goes to zero. So, yeah, thanks for posting, dude. Good luck to you, and please post updates. Hope your wife doesn't leave you for a boyfriend. I say that as a Mexican myself, I think they talk funny. They probably think we talk like savages as far as Spanish goes. All right, dude. So, all right, didn't know you were Mexican. Well, machete. I guess I could assume. That makes sense. Or that movie Machete. Forgot who that guy is. The famous guy, the famous Spanish guy. So yeah, that's pretty funny. You're Mexican and you say it's the same difference. I have heard that where different Hispanic, Latino people, don't like the dialect that others speak. They call it like dirty Spanish. Like I know people don't like the way Dominicans talk and stuff. Apparently it's like dirty Spanish. And yeah, I guess like Spaniards have like clean Spanish, kind of like the King's English, from like the UK and stuff. They think Americans have like dirty English. So yeah, same thing. All right, let's finish out here with a few Yolos from Low Roller. Did you watch the guy's other video last night? He's complaining? No, he doesn't deserve. To me, he doesn't deserve views. Okay, kind of disgusting to me that, people subscribe to that type of stuff because they just want to wallow in pity. It's a circle jerk of pity. Our love is so hard. Just fondling each other's balls, Portuguese is not the same Spanish language. I think it's similar, but yeah, it's not. You can't have a legit conversation with each other. All right, so we got 3 more here. Uneducated trader. Am I an eligible member now? He's working back at Kroger. And then complaining about it even more, I bet. Why Kroger? I don't know. We should go work at Amazon. So, yeah, here we got Alibaba. These are all shares. Oh, Alibaba, DraftKings, and POTX. So, all shares here. Getting wrecked in Alibaba here. Down 42%, 19K. Down 25% on DraftKings. So, it's like 26K. And then, down another 11K here on POTX. So all in all, down like 37K. Good. So hey, at least it's not options. Could have been a lot worse. Am I an eligible member now? Not yet, dude. You got a YOLO on options. Not yet. But this is a good start. So what you do is you try to dig yourself out of the hole by FDing, by YOLOing on FDs. So almost a member, I would say. Spain has like 5 dialects. Portuguese is 1. Hey, I did not know that. So thanks for that. You learn something you learn something new every day. I never knew they spoke Portuguese in Spain. I mean, I guess that makes sense. They're right next to each other. Pushing a cart. He got college degree, but he works at Kroger. Pushing cart. So I didn't know he had a college degree. If he has a college degree, he should not be complaining. I know it's tough out here to find a job because everyone has a college degree now, but you can literally become a manager of Amazon with that. Like, that's all you need, college degree. And that's an easy 60K a year. So he needs to stop complaining. Apply himself more. Hell, in Mexico, there's at least 3 different dialects and accents beyond count. Yeah, I know there's, like, different regions and stuff. A lot of different, what would you call it? Not counties, but, like, yeah, regions. And, like, certain cartels control, like, certain regions. Yeah, I guess it's like that everywhere. And you can say that in America, you know. In the middle, you got like hillbilly English, and then on the west you got like Valley Girl English, different dialects, and Chinese too. There's like more dialects in Chinese than you know I can even count. Guys, lazy? Yeah, sure sounds like it. No sympathy for me. No sympathy at all. All right, is there hope for me? What are the odds we come back to 50 cents before end of 2022? Pretty decent, I would say. It's gonna moon eventually, especially for the Doge rocket and then the Doge festival. The only thing is you got to hit the sell button before it comes back down below 50 cents. That's the difference. So I'd say pretty good odds. But you got to hit the sell button. So yeah, a bunch of Doge, 17,000 Doge. So this was like a 9K YOLO, down 6K here. Average cost is 54. But yeah, this isn't too bad. Again, it's at least it's not options. So yeah, man, hodl, diamond hands hodl.
With diamond hands, they knew they'd profit if they could only hold.
And yeah, gotta hit the sell button when it does come back up to 50 cents, because it will. But you gotta sell, don't hold. Don't get caught holding the bag. Alright, last one. What video are we talking about? I want to witness some wine prawn. Yeah, well, yesterday we Low Roller shared a video about this this new channel. This guy complaining about how hard his life is, and working minimum wage, and how hard being poor is, and all this stuff. And generally in this community we don't believe in that type of stuff. We believe in doing better for yourself. So I feel him to an extent, but at the end of the day, whining is not going to get you anywhere. Got to do something about it. So, yeah, Machete, I guess if you want, you can check yesterday's stream. We did it there. Or I guess Low Roller can link it again if he wants, but we're not going to watch it. Yeah, Low Roller, we already did this one. I don't think you were here, but this was like one of the first ones we did. Yesterday, that video left me feeling disgusted and bust. Yeah. I'm kind of losing hope for this, especially the newer generation. Losing hope for the society, for America. Everyone just wants a handout. Stick your paw out. Give me stuff. Give me free stuff. It's not how it works. Yeah, I guess you can put it in Discord too if you want, Low Roller. All right, guys, but yeah, that's it for today. That's all I got. So, went a little longer than expected. Went 2 hours here. Did some pretty good time, but I thought we were going to have a short show today. So, yeah, appreciate everyone who came in today. A lot of people here. A lot of regulars. So, good stuff, good stuff. I enjoyed today. Hope you guys enjoyed. And thank you guys who stuck around to the very end. So yeah, great show today. Great show today. I enjoyed. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys. So yeah, like I said, past couple of weeks we've been having some really, really good shows, and it's all thanks to you guys. Thanks to the community. So appreciate you guys a lot. Gives me that. Yeah, that's pretty much how it is nowadays. Gimme, 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 gimme. People voted for Biden to forgive student loan debt, and then look what happened. Yeah, I don't want to get political, but life is hard. Life is hard, and life ain't fair. That's how it is. TikTok is new career job, and people want to be YouTubers. YouTube can't last forever? No, it can't. No, it can't. See, successful YouTubers, no, the influencers, that doesn't last forever. Successful people on YouTube have like legit jobs, and then they make a channel about their job. That works, and then you get more like you market yourself in that way too. But being an influencer, that doesn't last forever. Because as soon as your looks go away, this is mostly for women. As soon as your looks go away, so does your career. So yeah, it's a short-lived. It's a fast money type of job. But I do respect the YouTubers. I don't really like influencers, to be honest, but I do respect the YouTubers that have a legit career and they make a channel about their jobs and careers. Like, that is good. I respect that a lot. Yeah, and then nowadays, it's just a lot of simping going on. I don't like all the simping going on. You just give money. OnlyFans is the dumbest thing ever. Anyway, we're getting off track here. Corn is free. So, but nice to be pretty. Nice to be hot. YouTube can ban you at any time. That is true. You got to play by the rules. You can't say anything too offensive. You can't say anything. They're very leftist, so you got to watch what you say. But yeah, that's because they do have a monopoly. It's unfortunate, but there's no other website that can compete with YouTube. There's like BitChute and stuff, but that's not nearly as big. So yeah, unfortunately, that's the way it works. So you got to play by the rules on YouTube. That's why I try not to say too much on this channel. That would upset YouTube. Crypto is a new YouTube career job for Dogecoin and other coin. Yeah, but shilling crypto is not necessarily that's like kind of being an influencer too. Unless you're like day trading or you own a hedge fund or something, or like you invest for a living. I don't really like the shilling of coins. Yeah, especially the poop coins. Most of them are poop coins. So that's only gonna last. That's only gonna last a certain amount too. That's not gonna last forever, unless you're a legit financial advisor or you're a legit day trader, and you do it for a living. These people don't do it for a living. They just shill coins. I agree. Only Hose Garden is dumb. Yeah. Only Hose Garden. Yeah, it is pretty dumb. I don't know why you would pay money monthly at that to see the same person over and over. Corn is free. Corn is free. Go watch some corn. People use their pets for YouTube. People make a lot of money posting dog and cat videos. Yes, that is a thing. That is a thing. That'll never go away. The dogs and the cats. Those have millions of subs. I don't know why. Now, people like dogs and cats. It's pretty cute. I'm not gonna lie. I watch some stuff like that. Pretty cute. So that'll never go away for sure. All right. Anyway, guys. So that's all I got for today. That is the show. So appreciate everyone. Anything else before we get out of here? Charts, questions, comments, concerns, charts, anything? All right, here we go with the Russian spammers. And report. Get out of here. Smudge, the cat. I don't know what Smudge is, but I've seen there's Tucker Budson. It's like a dog channel. There's a Kittysaurus, which is like some Korean lady. She has 10 cats. That's a pretty good one. Yeah. People love animals. People love animals. Animal videos will always sell, in my opinion. Absolutely. That never gets old. They're just too cute. And in my opinion, that's a lot better than, you know, thirst trapping. That's like legit content there. I don't respect the thirst trapping. You know, all these like yoga videos and stuff. It's all a thirst trap. It's and body positivity. It's all a thirst trap. It's all a thirst trap. I see right through the BS. You doing a casino video in your channel? Yeah, soon. I plan to go this Sunday. I just got these glasses. It's over there on the other side of the room, but I just got these glasses in the mail today. They look just like this, but they got a camera in the middle right here. So I'm going to use that to play poker, and I'm going to wear a body cam as well. So yeah, I'm getting all my spy equipment here, and you know, hopefully this Sunday I'll go to the casino and I'll record all of that, and I'm going to start vlogging my my poker sessions. So a little bit different, but hope you guys enjoy that. All right, guys, but I think that is it. So yeah, once again, appreciate everyone. What the hell? These damn... Get out of here. These damn trolls. These stupid trolls. Yeah, I gotta get the troll that meme. So yeah, appreciate yeah, Machete. I'm gonna take a look at those memes and I'm gonna watch The Matrix. So thanks for that. All right, guys, let's get out of here. Play slot machine video. I don't know about that, dude. I don't really play anything except poker, because you know, that's the only thing you can like really win at is poker and sports betting, and I guess skill game too. But I've never done that. I don't play slot machine. I don't play blackjack. I don't play any of that stuff. That's a great way to lose your money. I just stay playing poker. But yeah, I'm going to start pushing out those videos. So hopefully you guys enjoy that. All right, guys, let's get out of here. I like the one with the guy singing and playing the drums with the cat swinging his head. I don't know what that is, but I guess you can post it in Discord and I'll check it out. But yeah, those pet those pet videos very entertaining. That'll never get old. Cool. All right, let's get out of here, guys. Thanks everyone for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please like the video. Please subscribe and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. You apes already know, diamond hands to the moon. Slot machine, you can monetize the video. Yeah, but then I'm going to lose money playing that too, so... I guess then I'll come out to like a net zero. See, the channel is Smarter Gambling, not gambling. Smarter Gambling. Slot machine is not smarter gambling. It's just gambling. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out.